We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Say hi, say hi. Hi. Okay, so we're here today because we wanted to do a bag raid. You will never ever expect what's inside my bag. Kakaiba tong bag na to. This is actually the bag that I'm using now. Okay, this is the bag that I bought from USA when we were in New York. There's a mall there that we really love, and this is one of the bags that we bought. And yeah, this is actually a very controversial bag kasi sabi nila, binili ko daw ito as ukay-ukay in the USA. Anyway, wala namang problema pag ukay-ukay as long as galing ng US pa din, di ba? Oh, what an evil laugh. Oh my God, talaga. So now, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung anong laman ng mga bags ko or anong laman ng bag na to. Parang ang tambo ka. Parang ang daming laman. Okay, we just came from church, so that's why I'm wearing something like this. And this is now the first one, as you can see, lumalabas siya talaga sa bag ko is water. Yeah, we need water every time we go out kasi nga, lagi akong nauuhaw. I always feel thirsty. My kids always needs water. That's why we have water in my bag, yeah? Oh, hang on. Let me drink water first. Okay, that sounds refreshing. I'm actually in the playroom of my kids. That's why you can see all the toys around. Kung ano kaya. And another one, chula! Okay, this is the leftover soft drinks we had after our lunch from church. So, yes. You want to drink? Let me just taste this one because this isn't mine. I just put it inside my bag as well. So, yung bag ko, actually, bag ng buong pamilya. Lahat ng gamit nila, nilalagay din nila sa bag ko. Kaya ganito yung itsura ng bag ko ngayon. Okay. Okay, my cameraman, Bibo, wants to drink the Coke. Next. Goodness gracious. Tumawa ka po. Wala nang problema pag tumawa. This is Precious' favorite doll. Actually, it's that.
Oh my God!
What are you doing, Precious? Okay, let's put all the ones that we rate inside my bag inside this box. Oh, this is zebra. Yes, very good. Okay, now this is actually given to her by her baby friend, anak ni Dana, si Ada. Thank you so much for this. So this is her favorite actually, and it's very, very convenient to carry. Yeah, that's your Barbie. Next is one of the squishy ball. One of the squishy balls na iniwan nila sa car ng mga anak ko. So every time they go out, they bring toys. So iniwan nila to sa car. That's why I have to put it inside my bag. Okay, and bring it back home. Kawawa naman si Koala. Okay. What else? Oh no! This is so embarrassing.
Oh my goodness!
Hindi ko siya ihaharap kasi ang dumi-dumi ng comb na to. Hindi ko siya actually nalinis kasi we're so in a hurry this morning. But yeah, it's inside my bag kasi hindi na ako makapag-mudra makeup bells kasi nagmamadali na kami this morning. I have to put it inside my bag, okay? So comb. What else? Goodness! This is what? Oh, actually I remember this. I brought this yesterday kasi pangtali ko sa decorations ng Christmas decors ko. So, nandito pa rin siya sa loob ng bag ko. Hindi ko pa rin siya nalabas. Actually, this is, alam yung pantali lang siya.
Ano yung suklay na?
Okay, precious. Please, don't mess up with my brush. Okay. Next. Oh my God. Aabutan tayo nito ng alas 6 ng hapon. Parang ang dami-dami na sa loob ng bag ko. Do you know what this is? This is actually my glossing polish, color, and heat protector sa buhok ko. At
this one, gusto ko talaga. I really like this. Kasi, kung you feel meron kong dry hair, pwede mo lang siyang ilagay. Very simple lang. See, just let's add a little bit of it. Ginagamit ko ni Precious. Nilalagay ko niya sa buhok niya after siya maligo. Kasi nagtitigil siya ng mga free sa hair.
see? So, that's inside my... Oh, where's the box? You threw the box. Okay. Alrighty. Next. Okay. The car key is inside my bag. Definitely. I'm always having it. Kasi ginamit ko to yesterday. So, the car key is there. Gee, you can't believe this. Pantene Pro V 3-Minute Miracle Conditioner na binili ko din kahapon na hindi ko pa siya tinanggal sa bag ko until now. So, dala-dala ko siya today. So, actually, I haven't used this yet. Hindi ko siya na-try before. That's why I'm curious kung baka pwede niyang i-fix yung hair ko ng mas maganda.
See?
So, let's check kung maganda ba talaga to. But yeah, it's inside my bag still. Okay, next. Alright, this is the CK wallet that my husband brought me from New York when he went to New Jersey and New York. Ito yung pasalubong niya sa akin. So, wala naman siyang laman. Nakakahiya kasi walang laman. Meron lang siyang ganitong eksena. At coins lang laman niya. Pero yeah, my credit card and my debit card's there, my driver's license there. At kung ano-ano pang license at cards meron ako. So, pag merong perang binibigay sa akin yung husband ko, dito ko nilalagay. Okay, so yeah, that's definitely inside my bag anywhere. Okay, next! Another wallet! This is a bigger wallet. At actually, itong wallet na to is regalo ng wife ng brother-in-law ko na si Ines. This is from Salt Lake, Utah, na binigay niyo sa akin. Hobo. Very nice siyang wallet, see? I'm not sure kung nilagyan ko siya ng pera sa loob. Oh my God! Nakita ko siya! This is actually the... Hinahanap ko to at nandito siya sa loob ng wallet ko. Oh, the heck? Put that inside my wallet. Oh yeah, so maganda siya kasi marami siyang ganyan eksena. Okay, next is this is actually a brow powerful. Yeah, maganda siya. Binili ko to sa Utah. Kasi naiwan ko yung makeup kit ko sa pagmamadali namin. So I have to quickly buy something there so I can use. Maganda siya actually. So hinahanap ko to, hindi ko siya mahanap. Nandito lang pala siya sa loob ng wallet ko. Paano siya nakarating doon? Hindi ko alam. Okay? Alrighty. Kaninong cellphone to? Cellphone ng anak ko nandito sa loob ng bag ko. Diba? Yeah. That's what I said. Yung gamit nila nasa bag ko rin. So kaya sobrang daming naman ng bag ko kung ano-ano. Yeah? Oh my goodness, Precious, what are you doing there? Yes? Yes, of course. This is gonna be always in my bag kasi ito yung eyeglasses ko. Hindi ako nakakakita masyado sa malayo. That's why I'm using this, especially when I'm driving. That's why I have to carry this all the time inside my bag. Oh wait, Ayusin ko lang ang pagkalagay niya. Oh, hindi siya nag-close. Okay, next. Okay, this is Betadine Feminine Wipes. Siyempre, kailangan mong laging fresh. So, dala-dala mo lagi yan, diba? You don't know what you're going to encounter. Next is, this is the Oxford Blue English Laundry Perfume na kinikarry ko siya kasi, syempre, anytime pwede kang magpabango. Or kung minsan ginagamit ko to pag napupupo ako at nasa mall ako, nakakaya kasi you have to actually, oh, parang wala na siyang laman. Wait. Oh, naubos ko na. Wala na siyang laman actually. So yung malaki na lang naiwan nandun sa kwarto. So ito wala na siya. I have to get rid of this. Sorry. Gusto ko pa naman yung amoy niya. Napaka-fresh. Next is, yeah, syempre, dapat lagi kang ready. Gaya ngayon, medyo mainit na siya. So, I have to just give me a moment to tie my hair. Oh, next! Yay! This is actually one of my favorite makeup I have now. So, ito actually yung pinaka-favorito ko lately na nabili kong pangpaganda, pampa-enhance. This is a L'Oreal Double Extension. So, ang maganda dito kasi is meron siyang ito muna. I-apply mo siya muna first, coat. Puti, magiging puti yung piluka mo. Then, the second coat is this one. Yes, nagpapakapal to ng eyelashes at nagpapahaba. So, maganda siya. Then, pag nag-wash ka na ng face, hindi siya nagsismudge sa eyes mo. Talagang parang natatanggal siya, parang gel, parang ganun. Diba? Look at my eyes.
Wait lang.
Isong mo yung eyes ko.
Oo. Wait lang.
Nakikita niyo ba?
Hindi.
Hindi pa din. Never mind, but just try it out if you can find this. I really recommend this. Yeah, this is really good. I'm so in love with it right now. Really in love. Okay. Madami pa ba? Okay. Yes, of course. It's always in my bag too. Because this is special to me. Diba nakita nyo na ako, ginamit ko to? Yeah? Yes, very nice. Yeah. Also given to me by Ines from Utah. Thank you so much. Love ya. Yes. So yan, nandyan yan sa loob ng bag ko rin. Lagi. Lagi. Kahit nag-change ako ng bag. So, next. What are these? Hindi ko nga maintindihan. Another coins. Wait lang, ilagay ko lang siya sa loob. Kasi yung coins kasi dito, very important. Yeah? Kahit saan ka, may need the coins. So, never neglect a coin! Yan, nilalagay ko talaga yung mga coins na yan. Yeah, this is a white that we bought from Miniso. This is really cutie. The panda. Di ba may to? Yung sa parang TV series.
Oo.
What's the name?
We Bear Bears.
We Bear Bears? So, yeah. Di ba? Really cutie. Okay. Next is my Victoria Secret passport cover. So, nandito siya sa bag ko at hindi ko alam kung bakit nasa bag siya at bakit wala yung passport ko dito. Actually, may small pouch kami for all our passports. So, I'm not sure kung bakit nakarating siya sa bag ko. Hindi ko na siya maalala. Anyway, clearly, hindi ako naglilinis ng bag ko lagi. Doctor's prescription. So, kung mga anik-anik pa ng mga receipts nandito. Oh my God. These are like the reception at the Ford. Meron akong calling card sa Ford na hindi, bakit siya nandyan? Yeah? Okay. So, ano pa? Check ko muna yung mga ibang pockets kasi yun lang yung nasa pockets. Goodness gracious! I can't believe I have this! Siyempre, nasa secret pocket naman siya. Alam niyo na to kung ano to, diba? Hindi ko nasasabihin. Yes. But, oh gosh. This is a headset. Alam niyo yung headset na binibigay sa bus or sa airlines? Nandito siya sa bag ko pa. Actually, hindi yan yung headset na ginamit namin sa airline. Iba. Yung latest namin na Utah flight namin. Ano, more coins, more coins. So, ilalagay ko na naman to. Yeah, talagang nag-ano ako ng mga coins. That's so special to me. Oh, goodness gracious! Ba't nandito lahat to sa bag ko? Jay! Okay. Ito yung mga ginagamit kong favorite kong lippy. Magic lipstick actually ng Avon, diba? Avon lady ako actually for the longest time since I'm 17 years old. Since natuto akong anik-anik sa mukha ko, Avon na talaga yung ginagamit ko kasi hindi masakit sa labi, hindi nagpipeel off yung labi ko. At gusto ko yung yung magic lipstick kasi kahit kumakain ka, hindi siya natatanggal agad. So may lipstick ka pa din kahit hindi ka mag-retouch, di ba? So, yeah, mahilig ako sa magic lipstick. Kaya alam niyo na kung anong bibigyan niyo sa akin, yeah? At ang dami-dami niya kasi lately, actually, nag-request ako sa friend kong si Jenny. Hello, sis! Thank you so much sa padala mong Avon lipsticks. Ang dami-dami. So, hindi ko alam kung ba't pinasok ko lahat sa bag ko. Pero ang alam ko, may bibigyan akong friend dito, ibibigay ko yung iba sa kanya. Yeah? Kaya ko siguro dala-dala siya. Okay. Next is another lip balm. Kaso, nawala yung cover niya. Maganda siya kasi it's mint. Mint to. At magaling siya talagang mag-ano ng mga crack ng lips. Magaling to. Pero oh my god, where's the cover? And this is again another favorite of mine. I just got this. And I'm really in love with this thingy. See? Can you see that? Okay. That's a chapstick. Yeah, you really need chapstick. Lalo na pag winter season, sumasakit na yung mga mukha mo. At saka yung lips mo, nagka-crack na siya, nagda-dry dahil sa cold. So, you really need a lip balm or a chapstick anywhere, everywhere you wanna go. Pag nandito ka sa side of the world. So, maganda siya kasi, hindi lang siya lip balm, total hydration, moisture, plus. So, gustong-gusto ko siya nga. Bakit? Why? Kasi, lip tint siya. Yay! Ito yung ginagamit ko ngayon. See? It's a lip balm with a tint. Kaya hindi mo na siya kailangang mag-lip balm, then mag-lipstick ka. Ito na lang, all-in-one na. Diba? Ang ganda niya, actually. Then safe, masarap pa siya sa masarap pa siya sa lips. Actually, nakaka-smooth talaga siya ng lips. Maganda din yung amoy niya. So, I really like this. I wish na makabili ako dito sa Mexico kasi I got this from US. Yeah. Sana bumili ako ng madami, no? Pero, we're in a hurry na kasi. So, I hope I can find this one. Okay. What else? Okay, dito na tayo sa side pockets. I can imagine myself kung may nilagay ako dito sa side pockets. Definitely, meron. Actually, trashes. Nakakahiya. Yeah. So, mga trash lang to. So, that's it. Ito ang itsura ng bag ko pag walang laman. Kawawa na siya. So, I've removed everything inside my bag kasi I will change my bag for this week. Alam mo naman yung babae, mahilig mag-change ng bags. Okay. So, here are those ones that you see inside my bag. Oh my goodness. Okay. So guys, well, that's it. Ganyan lang ako kasimple.
Simple ba yun?
That's it. Ganyan lang ako kasimple. Ganun lang talaga ako. It's me. It's the real me. It's the natural me. And thank you so much for being with me as well. Please subscribe. Thank you so much for all the subscriptions and thank you for viewing. Bye! Say bye!